Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid on a Ford Escape. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, including a reliable jack and sturdy jack stands. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and perfectly level before you begin. Also, make sure you have the correct Ford-recommended transmission fluid on hand to maintain your vehicle's optimal performance and longevity. Now, let's get to draining the old fluid. Begin by locating and carefully removing the underbody shield, which provides access to the transmission. Once exposed, place a suitable drain pan directly beneath the transmission drain plug. Slowly remove the plug and allow all the old transmission fluid to drain completely. You can expect approximately 4 to 5 quarts to come out during this process. After draining, inspect the transmission pan for any metal shavings or debris, then clean it thoroughly. Many Ford Escape models have a non-serviceable transmission filter, meaning it's not easily replaced without disassembling the transmission. If yours is serviceable, replace it now. Finally, reinstall the drain plug and the transmission pan, making sure all bolts are tightened to create a secure, leak-free seal. With the pan and plug secure, it's time to add the new transmission fluid. Use a long funnel to pour the fresh fluid through the fill port or dipstick tube. Once filled, start the engine, cycle through all the gears, and allow the transmission to reach its operating temperature. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees black ice. Finally, with the vehicle on a level surface and the engine running, check the fluid level using the dipstick or leveling plug, adding more fluid as necessary. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.